In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make AI videos with PikaLabs. Creating AI videos might sound daunting at first, but with the right tools, it can be both fun and straightforward. Let's dive in together and discover just how easy this process can be. First, we begin by heading over to the PikaLabs website. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL bar https pika art. Once you've arrived at the home page, you'll see a clean and intuitive interface that welcomes you to the world of AI video creation. Now, the next step is to log in. You can choose your preferred way of signing in, whether that's using your email, Google account, or any other available login method that suits you best. This flexibility makes it convenient for everyone, no matter your preference. Once you're logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard. As you look around, you'll notice a prompt box located conveniently on the screen. This is where the magic begins. The prompt box is your starting point for video creation. It's where you'll share your ideas with PikaLabs' AI. Now comes the exciting part, typing in your desired prompt. Think about what kind of video you want to create. Is it an animated explainer, a product showcase, or perhaps an educational clip? Use this prompt box to express that vision. If you're unsure of how to start, don't worry. You can begin with a simple sentence or keywords that capture the essence of your video. The key is to be as clear and precise as possible to get the best results. Once you've crafted your prompt, simply press enter. This action signals to the AI that you're ready for it to start working on your video masterpiece. Now keep in mind, video generation is a sophisticated process that might take a couple of minutes. So this is the moment to exercise a bit of patience. As the AI works its magic behind the scenes, feel free to reflect on other creative ideas or refine your prompt for future projects. While you wait, it's worthwhile to know that PikaLabs offers different plans to suit various needs. If you're someone who might require faster processing times for frequent video uploads, exploring these options could be beneficial. By selecting a plan that aligns with your needs, you not only optimize speed, but also potentially access more features tailored to enhance your video creation experience. And there you have it. In just a few easy steps, you've embarked on the journey of generating your very own AI video using PikaLabs. Keep experimenting with prompts and exploring the platform, and soon enough, you'll be producing videos that are not only innovative, but also uniquely yours. Thanks for watching, and happy creating!